Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name's Katie and I'm the Organic Esthetician. If you're new to the channel, I've been a licensed esthetician since 2010 and I give a professional take on at-home beauty devices. I create a lot of device tutorials here on the channel. If learning how to take your skincare routine to the next level interests you, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, so today's video is a device video. Nebulyft just launched a brand new device, the R1C LA Rose. So this is an at-home radio frequency device. I've talked about Nebulyft and their other devices in previous videos. If you're not sure what radio frequency is and want to dive a little deeper, I'll put a collection of my radio frequency videos down below. Today's video is going to be all about the R1C, and I'll be sharing how it compares to Nebulyft's two other at-home radio frequency devices. While there are a lot of great at-home radio frequency devices out there on the market and in my own bathroom, I tend to use the Nebulyft devices over other options because they are so comfortable and easy to use. The treatments only take 10 minutes. The electrode head is smooth, which creates a really comfortable treatment. And out of all of the at-home radio frequency devices, the Nebulyft makes the cleanest gel formulation. I really prefer using their conductivity gel to NAPA's or tripolar stops. And I'll put the full ingredient list down below so you can see. It's also the largest bottle of gel that these companies make. It's 6.8 fluid ounces. When you're using your device regularly, you run through gel fairly quickly. So having a larger option is ideal when it comes to at-home radio frequency. The R1C is Nebulyft's brand new at-home radio frequency device. So it's a new peachy color inspired by LA sunsets with gold hardware. So in a previous video, I talked about how to treat jowls and nasolabial folds at home, or specifically marionette lines, which is the combination of the two. R1C was designed to specifically target those smaller, more sensitive areas to minimize fine lines and wrinkles, brighten the under eye, and even depuff. All right, so I'm going to show you a quick unboxing so you can see what comes with the Nebulyft R1C device. All right, so now let's compare the difference between the three Nebulyft radio frequency devices. Nebulyft's first offering was the R1 device. Its treatment area has 256 gold microdots. That's where the radio frequency technology comes through onto the skin. And it has 5 different intensity levels. Then they came out with the N1 device. So as you can see, this device is much larger than the R1. It has a larger treatment head, and it has 384 titanium microdots. And the N1 offers 3 different intensity settings. So the N1 is larger and stronger than the R1. Now for the R1C. So this is the LA Rose model. You can see that it's almost identical to the original R1. Both of them offer 5 different intensity levels, so it's very customizable. Great if you're on the more sensitive side because you're able to use that lower setting. Now you can see that the treatment heads are different. There's a greater concentration of those microdots at the tip of the device. This enables you to use your device all over the face and then target those areas around the eye and at the nasolabial fold. All 3 devices offer a 10-minute treatment, so this works out to 5 2-minute treatment areas. So usually it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And all 3 get to 107 degrees Fahrenheit, which is an ideal temperature for stimulating that collagen production. That heat penetrates 2 to 3 millimeters into the skin, which is where that fibroblast activity happens. It is not deep enough to affect adipose tissue, so you do not have to worry about dissolving any fat in the face. I know that question is asked all the time. All right, so now I'm going to show you exactly how to use this guy. I just finished using my new R1C, and I was pink during the treatment, but as you can see, it subsides after a couple minutes. I did my under eye on both sides and my nasolabial fold down to my jowls and across my upper lip, just to get any areas that might need a little extra firming or line minimization. What I will say is that I used it at level 4 under my eye, and I'm probably going to go down to level 3 in the future. It is a little toasty. However, down here around my mouth, I could go all the way up to level 5. And I think what's really great about this unit is that opposed to it being a really small treatment head that just focuses on the under eye and smaller areas, you have the full size of the R1, so you can use it all over your face and still get an amazing treatment. But you have a concentration of RF microdots at the tip, which allows you for those more targeted treatment areas. That was my inaugural use of the R1C device. Looking forward to using it more over the next week because Nebulyft says that it can treat nasolabial lines and fine lines around the eye in just 7 days. That seems in line with my own experience with Nebulyft. Out of all the other at-home radiofrequency devices, the Nebulyft device offers the fastest results, most instant shift in the skin. You're still going to need continued use for long-term results, but it's always nice to see results so quickly. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you subscribe. I love hearing from you all, so if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments down below. And if you have any suggestions on videos you'd like to see me make in the future, leave those in the comments down below as well. Links and discount codes and additional information that I mentioned in this video are all down below. I'll see you all really soon. Bye.